I just spent 4 hours doing my hair. From start to finish. From detangling my hair, to washing my hair, to styling my hair. That took me 4 hours. And the only thing I could think about as I was doing that was this sucks. And that brought me here to tell you the message of you are doing fine. You are doing okay. You are doing your best, right? I get a lot of DMs. I get a lot of comments on different videos from people who are saying that they are done with their hair. No matter what they do, they struggle with it day in, day out. And I relate to that because when I first started growing out my hair, that's what I felt too. And I made the mistake of thinking that, oh, once my hair gets a certain length, then everything the stars will align, the planets, the solar system, everything's gonna become easier. And it did. Around the 4-year mark in my hair journey, I realized that I had this thing down pat. I was like, you know what? I'm good. I've eluded, essentially. I've gotten to this point where doing my hair is easy. And I made the mistake of thinking that that would never change. And because I thought that way, I get frustrated now, where there are times when I struggle with my hair. I get these knots, and it feels like I'm literally fighting with my hair to get rid of it. And I said to myself, why don't I come here, get on camera, and tell you guys that it's not just you. Now, some people might listen to this and say, well, dang, you're telling me it never gets easier? That's not what I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to say that even the people who are further down the line than you, even the people who've been growing out their hair for 10 years, 20 years, or however long, this doesn't even just apply to hair. It could apply to sports, it could apply to your career. Even those people who are so far ahead of you, they still deal with issues. I am no different. I had to go back to YouTube. I felt so discouraged. I was having so much breakage. I could see my hair coming out. It was taking me so long. Like, my hair was just not cooperating with me. I had to go back to YouTube and search up how to detangle thick hair. And you know what's crazy? You know what the crazy part about it is? One of my videos popped up. Like, and it made me think, it's like, yo, you are supposed to be the guru. You are supposed to be the guy with all the knowledge, all the tips, bro. Even I struggle. I started growing up my hair in 2019. It's 2025 at the point of me watching this video. But here's the thing that I didn't account for. Back when my hair felt super easy to do, around the 4-year mark, right? And now I'm struggling with it now, and I'm looking back and I'm like, dang, I thought I had this down pat. I didn't take into account the fact that I started growing out my undercut. Like, before I had a drop fade, I didn't have as much of a full head of hair. It was easy. It was easy back then. And even when I started growing out my undercut, like, it was just a separate section in and of itself. It wasn't hard to detangle. It wasn't hard to do. At this point, I've been growing out my undercut for 2 years. And now it's like I have this full head of hair. And I didn't take that into consideration when it came to adjusting my routine. I never adjusted. I never pivoted. So now I'm looking back and I'm realizing, I'm like, dang, this sucks. I thought I had this down packed. I thought I was good at this. I thought I mastered this art. I didn't realize the game changed for me. The game changed for me. And it could be the same situation for you and where you're at your hair journey right now. You may have realized that whatever haircut you had, or you mastered a certain stage, maybe you got to the point where you're doing your sections, and then your sections are coming out great. It's flawless now. Everything's fine. But now your hair's getting a little bit longer, and now you realize that you have to put a little bit more care into the way that you sleep with your hair. I'm just using this as an example, right? The game is not the same at different stages. You know, it's a different attack. It's a different sort of, like, you have to find different creative solutions as you're doing it. And that's one thing I just realized. When my hair was just like, when it was just here up top, it was easy to do. I was able to do 4 sections, be in and out within like 2 hours max, you know, detangle my hair within like 30 to 40 minutes, then style my hair. Maybe that's 30 minutes to another hour, depending how long it takes, you know, drying process and all that. And that was fine. But now I got this full head of hair. I think I'm gonna have to start doing more sections. Or I think I'm gonna have to start washing my hair a little bit earlier so it doesn't get so tangled up. Or I might have to start using a different nighttime routine, right? The reason I'm coming to you with this video is no matter where you're at right now, you may feel frustrated. You may have felt that I finally got this thing down packed, whether it's the styling portion of your hair, whether it's the detangling portion of your hair, maybe it's just the washing, or maybe you just started doing curly hair routines or started doing protective styles, box braids. You feel like you got everything down packed, and then all of a sudden, just when you're comfortable, boom, you get like a different problem, different obstacle. And you start to look at it and you start to think to yourself like, dang, I thought I was past this. That's the main thing that keeps coming to my head. I thought I was past this. I thought I had overcome this. I thought I had mastered this. And now I'm here basically beating on myself like, bro, you a fraud. You a fraud. You come up on this camera and you teach people how to grow their hair and you teach people how to manage their hair and you can't even do it. But I forgot to give myself that little bit of grace because somewhere along the line, something changed. For me, it was just me growing on my sides. And now I have to humble myself and realize I have to adjust. I have to relearn a little bit. I have to go back to the basics. And that is the same thing for everyone. Same thing for everyone. So I want you to give yourself a little bit of grace when it comes to this hair thing. And some people might say, bro, it's just hair. It ain't that big of a deal. It's not just hair, bro. There's some dude watching this video, there's some dude out there who is struggling with his self-esteem. He's struggling with his sense of self because he looks in the mirror and he doesn't like what he sees. So today it starts with hair. Today it starts with the outward appearance, right? But when he goes out and his hair looks good, he feels confident. He feels like he has a better self-view, you know, a more healthy view of himself. Now, eventually, that might evolve into something more, you know, he might end up loving himself or doing the internal work and dealing with certain things that maybe you may not have dealt with, right? But when I started my self-improvement journey, it started with my hair. Or it started with my looks. Hair was just an aspect of it. And I don't doubt that there's somebody out there who's similar to me. Similar to me that just improving the way that he looks, just having that moment when you look in the mirror before you go out and just saying, you know what? Yeah, you're that guy. You got it. You him. That could open the door to self-acceptance. That could open the door to you finally feeling comfortable in your shoes. That could open the door to you feeling confident in yourself to go talk to that girl that you wanna talk to. Or the confidence to start that YouTube channel, right? It's not just hair. It's not just the way that you look. It's a door into something more. And I wanted to hop on here and just tell you, give yourself a little bit of grace. You're doing fine. The mere fact that you're learning how to do your hair, the mere fact that you're learning to do whatever you're trying to do, even if you come into or experience obstacles, you're doing fine. Just shift, pivot, everything's gonna be okay. And I'm excited to see where you go next, right? I hope this helps somebody out. And if you like this video, you might like this one. So I advise you check it out. That's all for me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.